What happens to your body? If you swim every day, it is widely admitted that swimming offers substantial advantages for both physical and mental well-being. The positive impact of swimming on the human body is hard to underestimate. Furthermore, swimming is available to almost anyone, with very few drawbacks or contraindications, meaning anyone can begin swimming from a basic level. In this video, I will discuss the effects swimming daily can have on your body. Make sure to watch until the end, as there's plenty of interesting information to come. Let's get started. Swimming serves as an excellent workout for burning fat. It involves the concentration of numerous muscle groups while allowing for a low-intensity exercise that can be maintained for prolonged periods. This is how the body starts utilizing fat as energy. When swimming, you can keep your heart rate in the aerobic zone for a longer duration, and you might find yourself feeling less fatigued than you would from running or other cardiovascular activities. However, to achieve these benefits, it's essential to maintain an active and continuous training routine. To gain the most from swimming, approach it with a mindset geared towards sports swimming. Aim to swim for 45 minutes to an hour without taking long breaks, focusing on styles like freestyle or a quick breaststroke. Swimming is a challenging form of exercise. Although many view swimming primarily as a leisurely activity, it can effectively become a central sport, even for fans. Dedicating yourself to training 4 to 5 times weekly for about an hour and a half in one of the competitive swimming techniques can lead to a toned physique and increased persistence. One of the resilience of swimming is that it engages all the muscles in the body. Each swimming stroke targets varying muscle groups, but ultimately, all parts of the body are utilized. For example, during the breaststroke, the focus is mainly on the legs, involving the thigh, gluteal, and calf muscles. The butterfly stroke demands considerable strength from both the arms and the body, while the freestyle is a versatile option that works for many muscle groups. Regardless of the stroke, all styles need coordinated movement and balance in the water. Aside from strengthening muscles, swimming improves the cardiovascular system as well. As the muscles exert effort, the internal organs also work hard, leading to a stronger heart. The aerobic capacity of the body improves through swimming practices, resulting in a more efficient heart rate. Moreover, swimming has been scientifically shown to benefit the respiratory system. Engaging in powerful inhales and exhales and practicing breath-holding techniques helps develop the diaphragm and chest muscles while increasing lung capability. While swimming may not increase bone density as much as running, it still contributes to the mineral density of bones, making them stronger over time. Swimming also improves flexibility, as overcoming water resistance during strokes stimulates muscle elasticity and range of motion. Additionally, swimming enables coordination and mobility. It necessitates the simultaneous engagement of multiple muscle groups and the coordinated movement of the entire body, making it an excellent exercise for improving functionality and cognitive skills. Interestingly, swimming may even aid mental development. The benefits of swimming extend to joint and spine health. Water's density reduces the body's weight, minimizing impact and compression on joints and ligaments. This makes swimming a low-impact activity that can help strengthen the spine and improve posture, as it reduces the strain on the skeleton while evenly engaging the back muscles and core. Lastly, swimming is acknowledged for its ability to relieve stress. While more scientific studies are needed on this topic, it's still widely accepted that swimming can be an effective method for quickly relieving stress. Don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more insights. See you next time.